Hi, this is Melissa from Temple Moon Energy Healing. I'm going to take you on a little journey today through the ancient forest, and we are going to do a visualization meditation for grounding and relaxation. If you could find yourself a nice comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed, we can do this either lying down or sitting up. You'll be closing your eyes and excusing yourself from the rest of the world. So it's just going to be you and me. We're also going to be taking deep breaths to help with the relaxation process and to exhale out negative energy that we don't need anymore. So each inhale will be through the nose, and each exhale will be through the mouth. With the inhale, I'd like you to visualize pure white light coming into your body and refreshing each cell. On the exhale, I want you to blow it back out, but visualize that you are blowing out gray negative energy from your body that no longer serves you. Okay, so let's begin. I want you to take 3 deep breaths. In through the nose, visualizing white light coming in. Out through the mouth and blowing out all the negative energy that no longer serves you. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. You can feel your body starting to relax into your chair or to your bed. Relaxing, relaxing. You find yourself now on a well-traveled path through a lush green forest. There is a mixture of softwood trees such as spruce and hemlock, with a few birch trees scattered throughout. This is an ancient forest with many mature trees. The hemlock branches are hanging heavily with vibrant green needles. An excellent playground for many small birds and animals. Ferns are scattered throughout the trees with hair-capped moss. Many colors of green growing throughout the ferns. There are beautiful wildflowers and purple violets covering the forest floor. Leaves you with a feeling of being refreshed and tranquil. And you're starting to relax. A little by little, you're relaxing. You can see bits of the beautiful sky peeking through the trees as you walk along this dirt path. And a few birds are landing on the branches of the old wise hemlocks, and they sing you a nice little lullaby. And you are finding that you are relaxing more and more. Relaxing, relaxing. It is very peaceful here, and you find yourself relaxing a little bit more. As you make your way down the path, not hurrying, just taking your time, and you come to the edge of the bank. As you get closer to the edge, you can see that it is fairly steep. Since the path is leading you down over the embankment, You carefully gaze down, but you can see that there is a stairwell fashioned from roots of the trees and large stepping stones molded into the side of the embankment. You feel a little tug on your heartstrings, and you know that this is someplace that you want to venture. So you continue down the stairs. As you make your way down the stairs, we're going to count backwards from 10 to 1 with each step you take. Each step will make you feel a little more relaxed. So at the top, you're on number 10, and you step out onto that step, feeling relaxed. You step down to 9, and you feel a lightness in your body, and you relax a little more. Step down to number 8, and you feel the tension draining from your face and your neck, becoming more and more relaxed. Number 7, relaxing even more now, you feel the stress leaving your shoulders, going down your arms and draining out of your fingertips. Step number 6, you have a calmness around your torso, and you can feel it relaxing. Step number 5, feeling more and more relaxed now. Step number 4, your hips and your thighs feel lighter. Step number 3, feeling the tension leaving your calves, and you are more and more relaxed now. Step number 2, reaching the bottom of the stairs, you feel all the tension draining out of the bottoms of your feet. And step number 1, you step out onto the ground, and you are completely relaxed now. You can see that the path continues on through the trees. And you can also see that there is an opening not far ahead. You begin to stroll along the path. The ferns are big and beautiful here. They're really tall, and they're on both sides of the path. As you walk along, you come to a small natural spring, and it's outlined with fluffy green mood moss. Intrigued, you gaze into the spring and see beautiful quartz crystals winking up at you. You are feeling thirsty, and you cup your hands to dip out some water to quench your thirst. You notice all the shades of the quartz. There's pink, green, white, yellow, clear. Quartz is a master healer, once called the brain cells of the grandmother earth by the Native Americans. This water is special as it has been infused with the properties of quartz crystals. Infused with enlightenment. Feeling refreshed now, you continue on down the path, making your way to the edge of the forest. Feeling restful and soothed, you find the path has transformed itself with large flagstones, which has been bleached by the power of the sun's rays. And these flagstones Go across a small field that is manicured, lush green grass. As you look across the field, you can see a little mound with a huge maple tree in the center, and the flagstone path leads right up to this tree. Enjoying the beautiful sky, as you walk along the path, you notice a few clouds in the sky, and then the most beautiful bald eagle flies over you towards the tree. The bird floats ahead of you as if saying, "Follow me." The eagle represents you soaring to great heights in your life. You find yourself now at the base of this beautiful maple tree. She is as old as time and very wise, and she sits upon a mound of earth with soft, springy, dark green moss all around it. You walk up to the tree and place your hand on her bark. You can feel a gentle hum of her massive energy, and you are in awe of her strength and beauty. You ask her if she would like to take part in this meditation and grounding, and she gratefully accepts. You turn your back to her trunk and slide into a sitting position on the comfy cushion moss. You take a deep breath and relax into her. And you are completely relaxed now, and you feel your body gently melting into her loving embrace. You are becoming a part of this majestic maple tree, becoming a part of Mother Nature herself. Your arms have become her branches, and your legs are growing into the part of her massive root system. And you realize that your roots are growing deeper and deeper into Mother Earth. Deeper and deeper, stretching and webbing deeper and deeper. Through all the layers of rock and sediment, you feel the earth break away to make room for your roots to grow. They seem to be searching, going deeper and deeper. They gravitate toward a tall column of crystal. The crystal is black obsidian. They go to the black obsidian and start wrapping around and around until all the crystal is covered by your roots. Black obsidian is a crystal that draws off all the negative energy and keeps you grounded and focused, drawing you in softly but deeply. A stone of truth, it reveals your boundless secrets and mysteries, revealing the darkness that blocks your light. You can stay here as long as you like and feel the connection that you have with Mother Earth. And when you're ready, you can get up away from the tree, and you'll find yourself just standing beside her, connected and grounded